In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Airtable base ID. If you've ever needed to access this ID for integrations or automations, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find it, ensuring you can move forward with whatever project you're working on without any hiccups. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Airtable website. Go ahead and log in if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, take a moment to locate the Airtable base you're interested in. Every base in Airtable has a unique identifier, and that's what we're going to find today. Now that you've got your bases listed, click on the one you want to explore further. This action will open up the base, presenting you with its entirety. Here's where it gets interesting. Pay close attention to the URL in your browser's address bar, because this is where the magic happens. You'll notice the URL might look something like this: airtable.com/app, followed by a series of random letters and numbers, and then perhaps more text afterward. This URL structure is key. The segment you want to focus on starts right after app. These characters immediately following the app are your base ID. It typically appears as a string of letters and numbers. For instance, if your URL appears as airtable.com/ap1234556abcdf, tbl1234556abcdf, that app1234556abcdf portion is what you're after. As you can see, finding the base ID is all about understanding where to look. This ID is distinct for each base and vital for various operations within Airtable. It's worth mentioning that the base ID is often required when linking your Airtable to other applications or services. Whether you're using it for an API call or connecting to an integration, this ID is your gateway. By knowing how to find it, you're empowering yourself with the ability to make your Airtable experience more productive and interconnected with other tools. A quick tip: if you're someone who frequently needs to access base IDs, consider keeping a document or note handy where you can jot them down. This way, you won't need to continuously go through the process of hunting your URLs each time. And there you have it. It's really that simple. Just remember to head over to the URL, identify the segment following app, and you've got your base ID. Navigating and pinpointing this may seem daunting at first, but with just a little practice, you'll find it becomes almost second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your Airtable experience.